Hey y'all, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour on a 16 by 20 canvas. We're going to be using several shades of blues, silver, a little turquoise color, and so a little bit of purple. So I'm going to get set up and we're going to get right to doing this Dutch pour. I hope you'll enjoy it. So I have all our colors mixed up, and doing the Dutch pour, we want these each paint to be almost the consistency of water, unlike what we do just on a normal dirty pour. This time we really want the paints, the colors, really thin. I'm going to go ahead and add a background here of some white. And I've kept back a good bit of white that we'll need when we start to do our Dutch pour. So I want to take each color and I'm going to just pick how I want to put it on here. I'm going to start in this lower corner and I'm just going to drizzle a line all the way across. And I'm going to alternate with each of the 5 colors here. Just pouring a little bit of a thicker line of white along the edge. All right, and now we're going to go to the hairdryer. And we're going to leave it just like that with our negative space, our great detail. We're popping up some natural cells here. I'll have to add a little white back here and a little in the corner where looks like I missed a part of the canvas, but that's okay. We got that. Anyway, each of the colors, I'm going to zoom in where you can see that the metallic sterling, this metallic silver just peeks out ever so here and there and looks really cool. But that is a Dutch pour, and I'm pretty tickled with this. I like the cells that are populating throughout. And again, I'll put down below the consistency. The consistency of each is, like I said, almost the consistency of water. I did use Deco Art, and I'll put all that down below. But thank you all for watching. I appreciate your likes, your shares, and look forward to your comments. And if you're new to Design by Kathy, if you've just stopped by, please do subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great day.